Do you know you can make so much money by monetizing your audience? Either it's Facebook, Instagram, your YouTube channel, your blog, or even Twitter. So now, if you have a Facebook account, Instagram account, Twitter account, YouTube channel, a blog, or a website, now you can make so much money with this very website called Monetag. Now you may ask, what is Monetag? Now Monetag is an ad advertising network that pays publisher or creators like you once anybody view your promoted ad. Now this is just like YouTube AdSense or Google AdMob. And once anybody click on the ad display on your article or your website, you will get paid per each view. Now Monetag is a traffic monetization platform that is perfect for monetizing your traffic across all platforms. If you have not started making money from your Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, website, blog, or YouTube channel, this website will definitely help you start making money from them right now. So the first thing you have to do is to get registered with this very platform, right? I'll be walking you through how to get registered with this platform, how to place your ad, and how to make so much money from this very website across your social media platform and your website, right? All the links and resources will be dropped down in the description of this video for easy access. So let's get started with this very platform by getting registered at first. So guys, we are right here in their website right now. So you can see right now we are right here in their website, and right here they are saying monetize your audience type. No matter what audience or mobile traffic you want to monetize, we are ready to meet your expectations for a steady balance between revenue and experience for your users. Start any website, Telegram mini app, social traffic, email, and paid traffic. Right. So the first thing you want to do right now is to get registered with this very platform. So let's go through the registration process. Very important. So what you are going to do right now is to sign up an account with email. I'm going to leave it on individual, not company. Individual, that's very important. You put in your first name, your second name, then the email address you want to use for this very platform. So let's just go ahead and feed that right now. Then your country of residence, just go ahead and find your country of residence. This is very important, and you have to know this. When you are filling out your details, make sure you're using your correct details, because they're going to ask you for a means of identification before you get paid. And if your details is not corresponding with your means of identification, you have issues in getting paid, right? Make sure you're using your correct and your accurate details when getting registered on this very platform, right? They're going to ask you for a quick communication. You're going to put in the easier way they can communicate with you. I'm going to put in WhatsApp because I'm very conversant with WhatsApp for communications. In case you want to communicate with their customer care, then you're going to put in a nickname you're going to be using for this very website. Then your phone number is going to be right here. As you can see, ID may be required. Please note that we may require scan of your ID passport to make payment. I just mentioned this right now. So make sure you're using your correct details for this very process. Then click on continue. What do you monetize, right? If you are using website, click on website. If it's Telegram mini app, click on Telegram mini app. If it's social traffic, click on social traffic. Social traffic in this case means your Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, and all of that. So I'm going to click on social traffic. If you have a website, click on website. If you have a Telegram mini app, click on Telegram. As you can see, monetize your traffic, your social media posts, raise, short, TikTok, and other content with your direct link. They're going to ask you, tell us more about your audience. How do you generate traffic? You tell them how you generate your traffic, right? Then how do you hear about us? You're going to put in YouTube right there. You hear about them via YouTube. What other ad network, affiliate programs, monetization platform do you currently work with? I just click in no. If you have any, you can put it right there. Then click on I'm not a robot. It's going to load up. Then click on sign up. As you can see, they said please activate your account. So I'm going to go over to my email right now to activate my account. So I'm going to input my password right here. So once you finish inputting your password, just click and finish and log in. So let's move down to the next step right away. Now our account is already created and we have $0 right here. Now let's go over on how you can make so much money from this platform. The first thing right here is their statistics. We are going to check over their statistics right now. As you can see, these are ways to make profit from this platform. As you can see, these are ways to make money from us. Let's say high CPM, cost per click, weekly payouts from $5. That means from $5 you can start withdraw your money from this very platform. I'm going to be showing you how you can withdraw your money and the payment method they support and how you can get your money to your bank account, right? Friendly support. 3 ways to make money from us. Now, the first way is by adding your website. These are for those who have blogs, who have websites they want to make money from. You want to make an extra income from, right? Apart from the Google AdSense on your website, you can add this to your website. Each clicks you make money from. Each clicks and each views on this very ad. Now, one thing you must not do is that clicking ads yourself, right? This website has what we call AI tracker. They can track you. If you are clicking these ads yourself, don't do that so that you won't be banned or restricted from this very website. As you can see, add the tags to your website and start earning from ads shown from ads shown to your audience, right? You can add new website, click on add new website. You can add your website to this very platform, and from there they can display ads on your website, and each click you make money from it. The second one is social traffic, which is monetize your audience media posts, reels, TikTok and other content with our direct link. This is a direct link of which you can impute this direct link in your social post. Now, this social traffic is where you make money from your Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Reels, YouTube, and other social media platform, right? And the last one right here is a Telegram mini app. Monetize your Telegram app audience with Monetag's ads for stable and high profit, right? If you have a website, you can use the first option. If you have social media account, Facebook, Instagram, I believe everyone has. You can use the second option, and if you have Telegram, you can use the third option. So let's move down to how you can add sites for monetization on this very platform. If you click on this very place right now, you can see this very top right corner right here, which is saying site, statistics and site. You're going to click on site, right? Let's click on site. And in this very place, you can add your web. As you can see, you don't have a site yet. You can easily add your website by clicking on this plus button right now. Feel free to add your website URL in the following feed. Make sure that your website is not a free hosted domain. This is very important, and it's not a torrent website and complies to our requirements. You can click here to check out the requirements right here. If you add your website domain right here and you can verify your website, you verify it from your end on your website back end, and your website is going to be added right here. And through this means you can start making money right here, and by that means this $0 will start counting per each click. Now this is an opportunity I've presented to you to make money from. Now this works for everybody. This is not for just a separate kind of people that have a website or people that have a YouTube channel. This is for you. Even if you have a social media account, if you have a Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, any account you have, you can easily make money from this very website. Now this is a one-time opportunity you want to jump in right now. Now many of you might be saying, I don't have a website. What of I don't have a website, I don't have a blog, I cannot make money from this very platform? Now that leads us to the next step right now, which is our direct link, right? Now via our direct link, you can make money even if you don't have a website or a blog or even a landing page, right? You can just simply make money via your Facebook, Instagram, or TikTok or Twitter. So you can simply click on direct link, add direct link, and they're going to give you a link right here. As you can see, this is the link they are giving me right here, and this link is what I'm going to copy right here, and I'm going to place this link on my social media post or any of my content and reads. Once I put this link right there, anybody that click on this link, I get paid. Right now, you can go to ChatGPT and create a content on any topic at all. You can create a video, a reels, or a short on any topic at all. They are telling us how to use this right now. Say how to use, copy the link and use it wherever you see fit. Let me know if you want me to create a comprehensive video on this direct link, right? How to use it and how to place it in your social post. Let me know in the comment section right now if you want me to create a comprehensive video on this very type, right? Let me take you to the payment section and the earning section on this very platform. Now if you come to the earning section right now, so you can see right now, this is the earning session. They are saying there are no earning during selected period. Try to choose another date range, meaning I have not started making money from this platform because I have not placed ad on this very platform. My next video on this very website, I'm going to be showing you how much I've made on this platform and what I've done in this platform, right? And if you want to see another video on this very website, also let me know in the comment section. I'm going to work on this, so make sure you subscribe to this channel so you won't miss out on the next video on this very platform. Right now, another wonderful opportunity to make money from this platform is their referral program. As you can see right now, they say you earn 5% commission on your referrals revenue by recommending us. Right, share the link with your referrals. You will earn 5% commission on your referrals revenue. Now note that this is a lifetime revenue. You're going to get 5% on your referrals revenue for lifetime. Right now, this is another best opportunity to make money from this very platform. Now, one of the best thing about this very website is that you don't have to pay a single dime to register on this platform, meaning you have basically nothing to lose by joining this platform. Now, this is how you can get paid from this very website. I'm going to go through right now. If you click on payment right now, as you can see, you have $0 right here. Total balance is 0. Hold balance is 0, and total withdrawal is 0. Now, if you want to add a payment method, click on set a payment method right here. As you can see, this is the payment method available on this very platform right now. They have PayPal, instant payout in USD. If you don't have a PayPal account, make sure you watch my PayPal video. I will link it in the description of this video. You can watch that video to know how you can set up a proper business PayPal account. You can use Scree, as you can see, start payout in Euro only, and you can use Payoneer, instant payout in USD. The minimum payout on Payoneer is $20, and the minimum payout on PayPal is $5, and the minimum payout on Scree is $5 also. And you can also use cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency, you can receive any in Bitcoin, Ethereum, and all of that, right? And you can request for adding another payment method if you don't have any of these accounts. Create a request, and you can request missing payment method if you don't have any of these methods. And this is the four payout you can make use of right now. As you can see, this platform is trusted on Trustpilot. If you come to Trustpilot right now, let's go ahead and type in this app on this very platform, Monetag. As you can see, this platform has a 4-star rating on Trustpilot, right? They have over 534 reviews. They have 4-star rating, meaning this platform is 100% legit and you can make really good money from this app. Now, one thing I understand about this platform is that this platform will help you make money even if you have not started monetizing your Facebook account, your YouTube account, or website, right? This platform is an extra way you can make money and sort out yourself. All right. And this is an opportunity for you if you have audiences across any platform, right? If you have audiences across any platform, you can easily monetize this audience and this traffic via this website. Even if YouTube is not paying you yet, or TikTok is not paying you yet, or Facebook is not paying you yet, right? Now, this is an opportunity for you. Now, this platform is 100% free. That means you register for free. They are not asking you to pay any single dime. That means you have basically nothing to lose but everything to gain. So this is a 100% free opportunity for you to make money from right away. And this platform is also trusted on Trustpilot, which have over 4-star rating, meaning this platform is good to go. Take advantage of this platform right now and start making money from it. Now the link to register on this platform is there in the description of this video. I'll also leave it in the comment section. I'll pin it right there. You can register a free account with them and start making some good money from your audiences and traffic right now. Now, if you find value in this video and if you appreciate this video, please don't forget to like this video. Like, this is very important, and subscribe to this very channel for more amazing content like this, because I'll be dropping more of this right here on this very channel. And share with your friends and family who will find this opportunity worthful, right? Share with them and they're going to appreciate you for this opportunity. So let me know if you want me to create related videos on this very platform. So with that said, thanks for watching again. I'm going to be seeing you in my next video. Bye for now.